thing you want to do is make sure you go to the correct website, www.csub.mylabsplus.com. You'll see the CSUB logo, and then you know you're in the correct place. You sign in using your username and your password. If you have any questions about the username or password or how to log in, you can visit our other YouTube video that gives you step-by-step instructions on how to log in. First, you will see the course list. You want to make sure you're clicking on your course list that is applicable for this class. Depending on what class you're taking is always the class that you want to click on to get on the correct program, and make sure you click on that one every single time you log in. The next thing you want to do when you get onto your course homepage is to go to the left-hand toolbar right under the Writing tab and click on Learning Path. Then all the modules will be brought up. There's 8 of them. Your class might be specifically having different modules, maybe 4, maybe 6, maybe all 8, depending on what your instructor or your professor has decided and assigned. Click on the module that you want to work on. Then pick the topic that you want to work on. Now remember, you must go through each step to receive mastery on the topic. First thing first, you have to go in order, so you first have to do overview, then the animation, recall 1, recall 2, and lastly, apply. Click on overview, and then you click on the overview final punctuation. It will prompt up, and this is basically the textbook definition giving an example and definitions. Once you write it all through, you can hit submit on the top right hand corner, and then you click to go back to your learning path. Next step is the animation. Click on animation again, and it will prompt up at you. Then you hit play and you watch the whole entire video. Now remember, you must watch the whole entire video because there is a question intertwined somewhere in the video. You must get this question correct or you cannot move forward. You will answer the question, and when you get it right, you can hit submit. And go back to the learning path. Then you can work on recall 1. Remember, these are 10 questions, multiple choice. And you have to receive 80% or higher on mastery to move on after this, so make sure you try your hardest. When you've answered all 10 questions, you hit submit activity. Then it'll prompt you right back to this page where you click on learning path. Now you move on to recall 2. Same step, 10 questions, multiple choice. Make sure you receive an 80% or higher to move on forward. When you've answered all 10 questions, you can move on and hit submit activity. Then click back to the learning path. Now we move on to recall, or apply, Now that you've opened up apply, hit question 1. Now, each instruction is different for each paragraph on apply. Make sure you read the instruction completely and understand it. Some has clicking, some has more interactive where you need to click and then insert words, commas, phrases, etc. So make sure you pay attention to the instructions. When you answered all the questions, you can hit score this question. Then it'll prompt you to anything that you did wrong. If you missed any errors, incorrect clicks, hints requested, and answers that were all totally done. Then you hit submit activity. Now you can go back to your learning path. And now you've officially mastered a whole topic. You can view our other videos at www.youtube.com/MWLP headquarters. You can also follow us on Twitter at www.twitter.com/MWLP headquarter, or you can like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned a lot. Stay tuned for others, more to come. Thank you, and have a great day.